Hi, and it's Skip from Skip's Messy Workbench. And it's been a while since I created a video, about 2 weeks, I guess. And it's because I took a little bit of a break after the USAC build, but also it gave me time to not only straighten up my bench, but I finished the Back to the Future DeLorean from the third film. So I thought I'd do this real short video and just give you a look at the finished result. So if you follow me down to the shop, we're going to go through this door over here. And my camera's backwards on here, so I always get my mixed up. Anyway, if you follow me down to the shop, just a short video. I'll show you the results or the end results of the Back to DeLorean 3, and then I'll also have a brief slideshow that shows both of them, and also with the previous DeLorean from film 1/2 in its flying mode. So stay with me and I'll be right back. Hi all, it's Skip from Skip's Messy Workbench. I haven't created a video in a little while, probably about 2 weeks now, but that's because I was finishing up the Back to the Future DeLorean from the third film, and here it is, the finished version of it. And I decided to do the version with the white wall tires on it. This kit could also be done by putting the rail tire or the rail wheels on it, and it comes with some railroad track actually, but I liked the look of it with the white wall tires from the 50s. And this one also has the Mr. Fusion installed, and along with the 1950s version of an integrated circuit mounted on its hood. Other than that, the builds between this one and the one from film 1 are basically identical. So it was just a lot of repetition work, and I did a lot of it in tandem with each other. But I put this on hold when I started doing the USAC build, the third annual build. So as soon as that was over, I actually cleaned up my extremely messy bench, and I finished up this DeLorean so I can peacefully move on to the next project. So this was a really neat build. In fact, I'm actually considering buying a third one. This is the Aoshima version of the kit, and I'm seriously thinking of building a third one so that I can have 3 different versions, one with the from the first and basically second film where the vehicle flies, and then also from the third film, one that you see here with the white wheels on, and another one with the railroad wheels on it. I haven't decided whether I'm going to do that or not, but I'm thinking about that. Anyway, this was actually a fun build. These I'm sorry, I'm stumbling with that word. The Aoshima kits are really well done. They go together very nice. Everything fits really nice. You know, I have no qualms about it. I would say this is probably a medium level kit, so somebody who is just starting out may have some difficulties, but somebody midstream or really good at it won't have any problems whatsoever. The biggest problem on this, and not problem, the biggest challenge on these kits was all the painting. So much detail painting had to be done. Again, it didn't have to be done, but to make it look right, it needed to be done. So I'll tell you something that I learned with this kit. The one thing that I did learn is that, first of all, the wheels, the tires, do not come with the white wall on them. So I had to get some white wall. So what I did was I went out and I started looking around and how do I get the white walls on? And you can see there's a few spots that aren't covered, but it's not a big deal. I mean, it had a rough landing when you think about it. Anyway, I saw some videos where they paint them, and I saw some other videos of things. And then I went out and I bought some decals, and these are from Interdecal, and they are for different size white walls. And this is what I used on this DeLorean. They worked okay, but they are very, very fragile. And I had to do some touch up, and I don't know if you can see it on camera. I tried to cover it the best I could, because even after they dried, after the decal went on, and they went on very easily, but after they dried, when I handled the wheels, I noticed that some of it cracked. And I covered with some white paint then. But you know, I think the next time I have to do that, I'll paint them, because that way I don't have to go back and do that cracking. Although the decal was very, very easy to put on, they just didn't adhere as well as I liked them to adhere. I just glued the mirrors on. Believe it or not, I built this like 2 days ago, and I was doing something else last night, and I thought to myself, oh my goodness, I forgot to put the side mirrors on it. So I just glued them on before I shot this. I gotta watch I don't break them off until the glue really sets up. The hood electronics or electrical stuff was a fun thing to do. I thought it was, at least. The painting was a little detailed, but I thought it came out okay, and that was a lot of fun. So anyway, this is Back to the Future from film 3, and I guess that's all I have to say for now. I'm going to be shooting a video probably this afternoon yet. It's Sunday, February the 4th. Probably this afternoon yet for my next project. So be looking for that. I probably won't have it posted for a couple days, but anyway, these two cars have been a real fun thing to build. So I'll put them both on camera here. Let me put this one down here, get him out of the way, and I'll bring the other one in, and then I'll adjust the camera so that we have both of the DeLoreans all finished and ready to go. So guys, I appreciate all of your subscriptions, and I appreciate all your comments. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. It helps the algorithm. And that's all I really got to say. So I guess the last thing I'm going to say is I will see you in the next video. Bye.